Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Ford Escape rear wiper blade. First, park on level ground and turn off the ignition. Lift the rear hatch and locate the wiper arm pivot. Protect the hatch glass with a towel, then gently lift the wiper arm off its resting position to access the blade clip. Inspect the arm for rust or damage before fitting the new blade to ensure a secure connection. Gather the replacement blade and simple tools before you start to save time and keep things tidy. A towel protects the glass and paint while you work. Use a small flathead screwdriver to release any stubborn clips and gloves to keep the blade rubber clean. Having everything ready prevents scratching and speeds removal. Also check the replacement blade fits the rear arm joint snugly before attempting installation. Lift the rear wiper arm gently and press the blade release tab to free the old assembly. Slide the blade out while supporting the arm so it does not snap back onto the glass. Match the new blade's connector to the arm pivot and push until you hear a click, indicating it locked into place. Lower the arm slowly onto the glass and test the wiper with the washer to confirm smooth motion and full contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.